Okay, I believe that we can see over here my hand, and now I use the pressure switch and the machine working, and we're going to be seeing over here the driver, this signal generator that I'm using already. It's going to be very easy to work with. For the moment I am running everything manually because I need a new board, breakout board, but for the moment let's make it work. You can just hold it, just start to move the motor. Right there, tool change. Tool change can move way faster than that. I believe that is the fastest that I move.